So to change the, I think it's called signal light and blinker light on the Subaru 2003 4 5, it's many methods on the YouTube, but I found the best method, since I have a very thin arm, is to access it here, and I was able to get it out and see the light bulb here. Then I can change the light bulb. This is the old, and yeah, this is the type I got, and I plugged in the new. I will maybe try to do the same with the blinker also. Yeah. No, the blinker was a little bit more difficult, so now I'll stick my hand under here again and try to insert this. To take it out, I just did a half turn against the clock, and I will try to do the same opposite when I plug it in. Make sure you protect your hand. So I do like this. I mean your arm, so you don't get scratches. Yeah, so now I'm ready to take this with my arm, and I'm going to get it in. Now I think I'm not sure about filming, but it should be in there now, and I will try to turn it. I will turn it in the clock direction of the clock. There. It seems to fit. And then yeah, I will see if it works. Now we see that it works. So what I did wrong, I followed the YouTube video. So now this one, follow the YouTube videos taking out the light, the complete light, but it was difficult, so I have to fix this because I think there is some clips here. Also, I tried to remove this. It said that this would come off, but this whole piece would come off, but it won't come off on my car. And also, it's supposed to be easy to take off the grill, but to take off the grill, I have to damage many clips. It's not just the clips. It's not just these two clips, as it says on some YouTube videos. So I took out some screws because I tried to do it here. So I will try to screw them in. So I have these. I have to. Yeah. So it's a little bit to fix because I could have done it very easily. What I should have done from the beginning is to just open a little bit here, and then I get access. Just have to make sure. See this one. Just have to make sure to put this one back again, and this one on the side. Just stuck it in. Should be very easy.